provide is 15668 coffee maker from Fixture Displays. Comes with the instruction sheet, and we also want to demonstrate how to use this coffee maker. It's pretty standard, but I want to show you the details as much as we can. It comes with this coffee maker and the coffee pot. The wiring is about 28 inches long, and the measurements of this machine is 6.3 inches by 7.08 inches, and the height is 11.4 inches. So if you are fitting this under a countertop or a cabinet, 11.4 inches is the height. It comes with a 6-cup pot, and the wiring is about 28 inches long. It comes with a small scoop and a nylon filter, so it's very easy to clean. And the reservoir is right behind it. There is a window to view the water level on the side. I'm going to put some ground coffee and fill some water and start to brew. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. This coffee maker has 600 watts of power, works on 110 volts power supply. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Please consider subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember, leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. In addition to coffee pots, we also have teapots. Search 15000, 15001, 12039, among other products we have. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.